Welcome to this episode of the Revised Science with Me series. This video will coach you to make and use an interactive revision tool to recall the key methods of contraception and their advantages and disadvantages. This technique can be used for any topic in science or any subject where you are trying to remember the definitions of keywords. I will coach you by giving you simple instructions and opportunities to pause the video whilst you get things done. For this session, you will need a quiet space to work for at least 20 minutes, some index cards, a decent pen or marker, source of information such as your science exercise book from school, a revision guide of an appropriate tier and exam board, course textbook, exam mark scheme from a suitable question, a glossary or any other relevant source of information. Visit the products page on the sciencerevisioncoach.org website for all the equipment you may need in one place online. If you need to go and get the equipment that I've just mentioned from your school bag or some other space in your home, press the pause button now to go and collect it. Step 1. Write the key methods of contraception on one side of the index cards using your source of information to guide you. Press the pause button now to complete this. Step 2, write the corresponding key information on the reverse of each index card. And I have included the basic information about how the method works in blue pen. And then I have written the advantages in green pen and the disadvantages in red pen. Press the pause button now so you can complete this. Finally, close your source of information, shuffle the cards with the keywords facing upwards, and try to record the definitions. Press the pause button now so you can try this. Step 4. You could also try this by placing the cards with the definitions facing upwards and trying to remember the keywords that match them. Press the pause button now to try this too. Well done, you've now made an interactive revision tool. This should not have taken more than 20 minutes to create and it shouldn't have been too difficult. But now that you have made it, you can use it repeatedly to help you remember some of the key methods of contraception. Making this is revision in and of itself. You are reviewing the source material and you are interacting with it as you read and copy the methods of contraception onto the index cards. Spend another 20-minute revision session trying to recall the methods of contraception and reuse this interactive revision tool for as many times as possible before your exam. You can watch my video on revision cycles in the metacognition playlist for more information about how this technique is beneficial for your memory. And if you haven't already put together a revision timetable, you should get that done. And I have a template that you can edit on the sciencerevisioncoach.org website. You should now remember the methods of contraception if you use the revision tool as I have described. And remember to follow this up with past paper exam questions and questions of your own. I have already released a video on the exam technique with regards to contraceptive methods, and you can find this on the exam technique playlist on this channel. You can find details about how to access past papers using the information in the description box below that can help you with this. Remember to subscribe and press the like and the notification button. Good luck.